Are you wondering what is Clubhouse? Why is popular? And how to use it? Don't worry, you are not alone. What is Clubhouse? Clubhouse is a voice-based social networking app where users can interact with other users in audio-only chat rooms. The invite-based and audio-only platform Clubhouse has become so popular among people across the globe even though it was launched recently. Why Clubhouse is so popular? Clubhouse has achieved massive popularity and people are very curious to know more about the app because of famous personalities like Tesla CEO Elon Musk and Facebook founder Mark Zuckerberg started talking about it. How to join Clubhouse? It is an invite only, so anyone who wants to join has to be brought in by someone who already has an account in the app. Users can download the app from Apple and Google Play Store, create an account, and update your name on a waiting list, but then you have to wait until you get invite. Does Clubhouse available on iOS and Android app? Initially Clubhouse app has been available only in iOS app, now it is available in Android app too. Downloads of the Android app crossed 1 million in less than 2 weeks. How does Clubhouse work? Clubhouse lets you create and join rooms, where you can talk with others in a conference call. Users can't share pictures, videos, or even text like other social networking platforms. All you can do is talk. Users can join and leave the chat room at any time. When you open the Clubhouse app, you will see a list of virtual rooms as well as a list of who's in each room. Users can join the virtual room by clicking on it, they are all open for you to jump in. Users can join each room as an audience member. If user want to talk in a room, he or she need to raise hand, and then the speakers can grant permission to talk. Clubhouse rooms are often used by experts, celebrities, venture capitalists, journalists, and so on. You can also create a virtual room of your own in the app. When did Clubhouse launch? Clubhouse launched in March 2020 during COVID times in US by Paul Davidson. Can anyone join Clubhouse? Clubhouse is an invite-only app, so without invite, users can't join the Clubhouse. How many people use Clubhouse? According to CNBC, Clubhouse currently has more than 10 million weekly active users and more than 300,000 rooms are created each day. In December 2020, Clubhouse has 600,000 users according to the New York Times. Now it has 10 million weekly active users. How to use the Clubhouse app, create an account and other details. Step 1. Clubhouse is an invite-only app, so you need to get an invite to join the room. The users are required to register for an account on the Clubhouse application. Users can make a basic profile by updating their contact details like any other social networking apps. Step 2. The users need to add an email address, upload a photograph, username and password at the time of registration. Step 3. Once users have completed the registration in the app, they can select from the topics in which they are interested the most. Step 4. Users can change their profile picture, add a description, and update details of their hobbies, interests, and their workplace. Users can also complete their profile by linking it to Twitter and Instagram account. Step 5. After completing the above steps, the users can now scroll through various discussions and find other users, clubs and rooms in the app. Step 6. Next step is identifying and joining a room where there are groups of people interested in the same topic. In order to find a club, users can go through the Explore tab or can search in the search bar, select a club and search for a topic. In case users want to join a club, then after going through its profile page, they can click on the Follow option. Users will be notified when the admin launches a room in the app. Step 7. Users can also start joining clubs after hosting discussions or rooms at Clubhouse. Step 8. If a user wants to join a virtual chat room, he or she has to tap on it and start listening. Once a user joins a room, he or she will be automatically muted as a listener by default. Step 9. If a user wants to talk something, he or she can raise the hand following which the moderator will be notified. Once the moderator grant permission, a user can be unmuted and start speaking. Step 10. If a user wants any of their friends/colleagues to join the chat room, he or she can press plus button in the lower navigation of a room to select and add followers. Step 11. Users also have the option to leave the room by just clicking on the option Leave. Users can also see the upcoming room suggestions option by checking the calendar icon on the app. Step 12. Users can invite their friends to Clubhouse by clicking on the invitation like icon. Once a user invites someone, he or she will receive a message to join the Clubhouse app,